What is up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be out shooting with this, the Fujifilm XF10. Stick around because after the video I'm going to be telling you about my experiences today shooting with this little camera. It's a nice picture. Okay, so there you have it. I spent about 3 hours out today shooting with this, the Fuji XF10. I shot everything today in the RAW setting, as I do on all my cameras for all my shoots. I then process all my files inside Capture One. Maybe in the next camera, I would like to see a pop-up viewfinder. I did find it very difficult to see the screen in full sunshine. So they could either do pop-up viewfinder or maybe do a very contrasty menu system inside the camera. That would make it a little bit easier to view at a glance in brighter light. I didn't really have any focusing issues other than what I would have normally with the X-T4 or the X100V, which are the other two Fuji cameras I own. As long as you set the camera up correctly for your specific requirements, then you should be good to go. I won't waffle on too much as there are plenty of technical reviews out there already. I just wanted to give my personal professional opinion on this awesome little camera. I'm happy to say this will be a camera that I'll be hanging on to. I wouldn't hesitate on using this for some professional shoots. If you're in the market for something that shoots high resolution images and you wanted something that's a daily carry, then you can't go wrong with something like this. Obviously, there are other cameras out there on the market that are very similar in terms of the specs, etc. But this is very well built, it's sturdy, it is actually quite light. These cameras have been around for a while and I've only just managed to get my hands on one. But I wanted to wait until I properly tested this out before I made this review. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any favorite pictures from today's shoot. And also, if you have any questions, I'll be happy to try and answer them. I hope you found this video of some interest. If you did, please consider subscribing. That will tell me you'll be interested in me producing more future shoots. That is all for this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.